Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a damaged external hard drive. First, ensure your drive is properly connected and try a different USB port or cable. Next, we'll explore using built-in operating system tools to identify and potentially resolve common logical errors. Understanding these initial steps can save you time and prevent further data loss, guiding you toward an effective solution for your storage device. Start by checking your drive's physical connection. Sometimes a loose cable is the culprit. If that doesn't work, open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac. You might need to assign a new drive letter or repair the disk permissions. These simple steps often resolve issues where the drive isn't appearing or is inaccessible due to minor software glitches. If basic checks fail, consider using specialized data recovery software. Tools like TestDisk or PhotoRec can often retrieve files from logically damaged drives. Also, pay close attention to any strange noises coming from the drive. Clicking or grinding usually indicates a serious mechanical failure. Testing the drive on another computer can also help rule out issues with your current system. For drives exhibiting physical damage, like clicking sounds or failure to spin up, professional data recovery services are essential. Do not attempt to open the drive yourself, as this can cause irreversible damage and void any recovery chances. Professionals have specialized cleanroom environments and tools to safely recover your valuable data. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. This ensures your car smells as good as your data recovery efforts feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.